Mail call! It's another unboxing day, and Mo's sleeping in the window, so that's why you can't really see her. She don't really care about this mail call. I don't think there's anything in here for her, but I got the Healing Energy Oracle. Now, see, a lot of people don't like these cards because they are supposedly not authentic or whatever. But cards are cards. Now, I like the Oracle decks better than I do the tarot. But cards are cards for me. If they're duplicates and they're tiny, I like because my arthritis in my hands, I can shuffle these like a deck of cards. And they're the same cards. It's just they're smaller and they're supposedly bootlegged or whatever. But I do like these decks. This one's the Healing Energy Oracle. I got the Crystal Angels by Dorian Virtue. I have a lot of Dorian Virtue, and I really do like her, but I like these cards because her cards are really vibrant in colors and stuff. And I'm not quite sure if I have this one yet or not already. If I do, I will be maybe doing a giveaway. And the Power of Love activation cards. Power of Love by James Van Prague, which I love him anyway. He's a good psychic, which I'm definitely going to get. The angel one. I have done the angel one. The James Van Prague or whatever. I did get some cheap jewelry, which I'll tell you why. I am not a jewelry person, but I have noticed that when I do cards and when I do readings and stuff, you see my hands a lot. And so if I take away, see, I can't even open this. If I take away the look of my hands, you know, the way they're all messed up, and make you focus on my rings, maybe you won't see the shaking so bad. So I did get a ring, and then I got another one, and then most of the rings I do buy, they're real cheap. They're just costume jewelry. But I like something simple, the simple ones. And my camera's so far away I can't really get to you, you know, to show you. But I'll probably show you, and you will definitely see them on me. Now this one's a turquoise, and it's a double one, so it's like a double set. Oh, it's a triple set. You get 3 rings for that price. And these, I'll tell you the truth, I love this company. It's Temu. Now, T-E-M-U. I got these rings for $1, less than $2 a piece. Some of them are only like 50 cents. Now, I think this is what the 5 and under store gets their supplies from this company. And it's wonderful. And I absolutely love it. And I spend a lot of money. Sometimes you have to spend $10 each thing. But for $10 you get a lot of stuff. Now, I got this. It's a handheld. It goes on your shower. It's just the shower head. Handheld massager type shower head. Now it's supposed to be very powerful and it's very good. And so I got one of those. We're going to try her out. It's got 3, it looks like it's got 3 or 4 settings on it, which is awesome. We're going to try her out, see how good it is. And I did get extras just in case my son wants one or one of them break. And these were only $3 a piece. No, they were cheaper than that. I think they were like $2. So I did get that. And that is more jewelry. Moonstone. I did get a cross necklace. And I think that's it. And that was the unboxing for this month, or this week. I'm expecting another package. It's got some gloves in it and some other little trinkets that I would like. So usually I spend about $20 a month on Temu, on little stuff. That's where I've been getting Mo's dresses and her costumes. And they are really cheap and they are really cute. And I can't wait to try out things. And like I said, even if these are bootleg, whatever cards, they're the same cards, just a smaller size. And it's your power that you put inside these decks, not the decks alone. It's your power that you put in these decks. So when you get a deck in the mail or whatever, you can open them. Some of them I haven't even opened yet. You can open them right away, and if you get the feeling of, you can feel the deck. That is when you have a good deck. It could be a regular deck of cards, and you can still read with the regular deck of cards. You just assign each suit to whatever you want. Like the hearts, of course, would be love. Or the hearts, the Queen of Hearts, the King of Hearts would be the Queen of, the Queen or the King. And as for the jacks, of course, they would be the knights. The spades could be swords or whatever, things like that. That's how you do it in the tarot deck. You just take and do the other tarot. Put them on each suit. So that was the last of our unveiling today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and come back later. May you have kindness. Shine your light upon those that are in the dark. Cheers. Peace.